Let's draw a windsurf. First, draw a triangular sail. Then, draw lines on it. Purple. Gold. Aqua. Magenta. Good! And the boom around the sail so the windsurf can be controlled. Excellent! Now you just have to draw the board. Now draw the sail rigging. All right, you have drawn a very nice windsurf.